We are pleased to show you the 2024 Tiguan. This vehicle is powered by a all-wheel drive, 4-cylinder, 2.0-liter engine. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rain-sensing wipers, rear spoiler, alloy wheels, power liftgate, 4-wheel independent suspension, brake assist, remote keyless entry, 4-wheel disc brakes, power moonroof, electronic stability control. Inside you'll find heated front seats, security system, cruise control, trip computer, power windows, power steering, leather shift knob, leather-wrapped steering wheel, overhead console. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.